Listen to me and listen to me very well. Nothing is happening to you, everything is happening for you. Listen to me and listen to me well. Nothing is happening to you, it's happening for you. Listen to me and listen to me well. Everything that you had to happen to you is happening for you. Did you realize that all the setbacks that you had to encounter was setting you up for the greatest comeback of your life? Did you realize that God sometimes had to separate you so that way He could elevate you? Do you realize that sometimes you got to eliminate to elevate? Do you realize that the setbacks are setting you up for the greatest comeback ever? Do you realize that your faith without works is dead? Do you realize that? Do you realize that nothing is happening to you, it's happening for you? Do you realize that the things that's happening to you and happening for you is here to make you and not break you? Did you know that before God bless you, sometimes it looks like a disappointment, but disappointments are really a blessings? Do you realize that God will disguise His blessings for you and make it seem like disappointment? Do you realize that sometimes a stretch can sometimes feel like a squeeze? Do you realize that nothing is happening to you, it's happening for you? When you're going to stop playing a victim? When you're going to start playing a warrior, not a warrior? You got to be a warrior, not a warrior. I just want to remind you that, you're one decision away from changing your future for the better. So you got to always remember that the choice is always yours. The question is, what's your choice? Are you going to be a victim? Are you going to be a winner? Are you going to be someone that look at this as a learning moment? Are you going to look at this as a losing moment? The question is these lessons that's going to turn into blessings? Or are these going to be things that happen to you and then you're going to be stressed and down and out? You got to make a choice. You can't choose the one that makes you feel like a victim. Nothing is happening to you, it's happening for you. You didn't lose anything, you learned something. And sometimes you got to lose a want so you can make room for the need. Keep winning.